natural. There's a lot of water. Huh?
Yep. Just a fucking sill.
Why is it just hanging there like that?
This is rotten.
It's just not connected. Never was. Maybe that's just a wedge. One of the wedges for the pier. Just leave it there.
It is.
Yeah, just leave it there.
It's in the way.
What are you trying to do?
I have to get up here, unscrew this so I can patch that PEX.
Well, can you reach it from this end or no?
I have to get some pliers to be able to do it. This thing's in the way. I have to get right here. At least I think that's the right one. Yeah, I'm not sure which is which.
Well, you can.
Yeah, this is the one. I think. I don't know.
Well, we can probably get a hammer and shove that back up in there because I don't know if that will lower the section of the floor if we take that piece of wood out from the pier. They never shoved it up there right to begin with. Yeah. All this water.